Hello and welcome back to the Azar Pixel channel. So today we're fixing up two 2.5mm indoor LED modules. The first thing we always do is check them out. We turn them on and see which pixels are acting up. We had to take off the shaders so we could get in there correctly. Then we pulled out the damaged pixels one at a time, cleaned the area, and began replacing them with new ones. This part requires a steady hand, but our expert technician is good at it. Once that's done, we give everything a thorough wipe down, reapply the shade, and run a final test to ensure everything is working correctly. We then proceed to the second module. This one has some busted shaders which take a trained eye to spot right away, and a few damaged pixels. Same process here, fix it up, do signal tests, and get it back to looking brand new. You don't need to buy new LED modules when you've got us. Book a repair now at azarpixel.com or call the numbers on the screen. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.